How to create your own league in Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser as it's easier to do this process in a browser. Now in the search bar, search for fantasypremierleague.com and make sure that you are signed in with your account. And if not, then go ahead and sign in with your Fantasy Premier League account. Now, tap on the Leagues and Cups option you see there on top of your screen, and here you will see the option for Create a League. So tap on the Create a League option and then go ahead and choose if you want to create a League and Cup for classic scoring or if you want to create a League and Cup for head-to-head scoring. So choose your preferred option. I will create a classic scoring league. So tap on the Create a League and Cup option under classic scoring, and you will now be required to name your league, and you will then be required to choose when does the scoring start. Once you have chosen, go ahead and tap on the Create League option you see there, and with this your league will be created. So this was about how you can create a league in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.